Okay guys, for those of you who are longtime followers of the channel, there's a slight chance you recognize the spot behind me. When I was doing my road trip back from Yellowstone, this was one of the few spots that I fished. This is Little Cottonwood Canyon here. I'm out here to ski Park City, but I've got, a quick opportunity to try and make something happen here. So without further ado, I'm gonna put you guys back on the chest harness. Good pocket water all the way through, brookies, cutties. Let's try and get one. That is going to be a tough grip. Oh, that looks like a mouth. That might have been a mouth. Guys, yet to get a fish. I might have seen one head come up for a take, but honestly it'd be a stretch to call it a take, so nothing so far. It's like 64 out, so yeah, can't complain. Having a good day. All right, I'll catch up with you guys at the next spot. Okay, I cheated. I went to Google Maps. I was looking for deep holes and I saw this giant blue thing and I was like, ooh, what could that be? Sure enough, ladies and gentlemen, we have a spillway. You know what trout love? It's a nice deep hole of a spillway. Let's hit this. Don't have much time. Yep, there we go. Oh, I'll never know what it is. I think I see him down there. Oh, just missed one. Oh my god. Oh, it's a brookie. Look at that. Super duper tiny brook trout. Super gorgeous. Really pretty fish. See you, buddy. Alright, we gotta get out of here. How do we look? Am I clipped in? Is the angle good?
Yeah, you're clipped in. Looks like a good angle.
Dude, this doesn't look horrible. It's not across. Oh, dude, this is wicked. Hey, I'm cutting all the way over, Frank. Woo. Dude, this is nuts. Oh. This is sick.
Are you so happy?
I'm loving this. This is wicked. Woo. Did you see the hole we went over?
I know.
That was sketchy.
Terrifying.
Yeah. That was like straight up swallow you.
Yeah, I didn't like that.
Yes, sir. Out there. Best of luck. I'm gonna cut through this tree right here and it'll take you right to it. I just am trying to hit the trail that's on top of it. But it was nice seeing you. going on, guys? I just had best day of my life on the slopes here at Park City. I rode the bull for the first time, was making turns in deep powder, just absolutely having a day. Even though my legs are burnt from 3 days of boarding, I came straight from the mountain here. We're gonna put in about an hour or two, depending on how the fishing is, and just see what happens. So I'm gonna start nymphing. It's beautiful out here. Weather's like mid-20s, low 30s. And we're just gonna see what we can make out of the day. So stay tuned, should be a good one. Coming to you live from the Provo River. Freaking scenery, guys. This is fantastic. We just found the money spot. If I don't get anything here, instead of moving, we're switching flies because this looks like absolute money. Let's just go straight to the deep stuff. Fish out the best stuff. Yeah, if I don't get a fish here, it's definitely the flies and not the river. Because this should be like, this pool should be loaded. I'm doing one fly change. I'm gonna go with a big gaudy midge and an egg. So those are the two flies we're changing to. And then I'm calling it a day after fishing that for about 20 minutes because I'm cold, I'm tired, I'm ready to get home. All right. There we go. There we go. There we go. Woo-hoo. Oh. Where's my net? Yes. Woo-hoo. Woo. Oh, that feels good. Wow, beautiful colors. Check out that brown. Oh man, that is awesome. One last look, one last look. Oh man, so cool. All right, we're gonna get this fish back in. Alrighty guys, out on the Provo River, just got off the mountain. Beautiful brown trout. Back in. Woo-hoo. Alrighty guys, it's a wrap for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the snowboarding, hope you enjoyed the fishing. Let me know if you want to see more snowboarding content. I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Until then, peace.